Datera delivers high-performance data orchestration and advanced automation, reducing storage management and infrastructure costs by as much as 70%.
So data orchestration in the data services platform is really about understanding how to convert the policies into where the data gets placed on the physical infrastructure. And so we run a process to convert policies into a set of maps that show here's where the data is going to land on the different physical resources within the system. So that data orchestration really lets us in real time balance cost, performance, and availability within the system. And that's, in the real-time world of placing and storing and retrieving data, it's really balancing those three things that matters. So in the Datera system, there are two sets of maps, a current map and a future map. The current map is the location of the data within the system based on kind of the historical operation. When there's a change in the system, and a change can happen, for example, when the customer says, I've got a new version of my application, and I've got some new types of media. And the new version of the application can take advantage of this new type of media and improve application performance. What I can do when that happens is I can change the policy and create what's called a future map. And a future map tells me where I want the future state of the system to be. It's kind of like a roadmap of the future system. And then what happens from that point on, all the I/O operations that come into the system, the union of those two maps is used to say where the data is going to go. Over time, those two maps will converge. I'll end up with the current map and the future map being identical. And when that happens, I'm now fully utilizing this new technology to benefit the application. And all I had to do to get that to happen was change the policy at the user level. What that did is it created an operation within the control plane to create a future map. The future map was given to the data plane. The data plane then operated on that until they converged, and now I've got a new state of the system with a better operation. With Datera, if you get a new technology that can benefit an application, all I would have to do is add that technology in, change the policy to take advantage of that, say I need the performance to be the best-in-class performance given the resources I have. I change that policy. Right? From that point on, the Datera system will completely autonomously move the data non-disruptively. Right? It'll take a period of time to do that. It could be minutes, it could be hours, but from the customer's point of view, there's no disruption. Right? Once that's done, the application is getting the benefit of that new technology. The policy has been fully executed, and the customer's back up and running with all those benefits.
Learn more about how Datera brings the software-defined revolution to enterprise storage at datera.io and contact Datera for a free consultation.